in after going to India, you will not be able to apply for next or for FMG exam. Like today we are in front of Orel State Medical University. Your admission letter will get cancelled. In Orel State, it's really very hard to get government hostel. आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार and you are welcome at MS Education. How is the Orel State Medical University? Best university. So many things you can recognize between a fake letter and a original letter. Today's video is going to be for those students who want to take direct admission in Orel State Medical University and don't want to get stuck with third party contractors. MS Education hai. Suppose if you want to cook a tasty dish and you don't know about its ingredients, you want to take admission in Orel State Medical University and you don't know about documentation. So today's video is going to be about all documentation processes in Russia or especially in Orel State Medical University. So if you will sit in front of your contractor may tell you about fake documentation, about fake charges, because you don't have any knowledge about it, and you will not be able to analyze whether he is telling truth or lie, because 99% contractors are doing fraud with students and they do so many promises when you are in India, but when you arrive to Russia or in any other country of abroad, then they don't fulfill even 1% of those promises. So today I will tell you about all documentation from India to Russia, and I will also explain like at each and every documentation how contractors can do fraud with you and how you have to be over smart and you have to choose a best contractor. So please don't skip the video and subscribe our channel. First step is going to be your admission letter. I have shown one of admission letter, you can see on the screen. In between 20 May to 30 July, you can apply for Orel State Medical University. Generally, it start after the result of NEET exam, because you need qualifying marks in NEET exam. For example, in 2024, 164 marks were qualifying marks in NEET exam. So accept your NEET scorecard. What you need? If you will not achieve these scores, you can apply in Russia. Yes, you can apply for this, but when you go to India, after going to India, you will not be able to apply for next or for FMG exam. Like you need Aadhaar or passport for applying this. Like you can see here, this is your Aadhaar number. Like this is your, if you are not submitting your passport till the last date of admission letter, as you can see, this is your last date of your admission, 30 July. This is the last date of your admission. Till this date, if you don't submit your passport, your admission letter will get cancelled. So now, as a concerned student, what you have to do? The first biggest fraud done by the contractors. Now what the contractors do, they apply on the basis of passport, on the Aadhaar card. Now they take admission fees and they don't tell to the student that passport is also mandatory, because the contractor already know the student will not be able to give passport because passport takes some time. Okay, so now here, as a concerned student, you have to take care about it. Like if you are applying for admission letter on the basis of Aadhaar card, you have at least 10 to 15 days. In these days, on the basis of like Tatkal passport, you can easily get passport. But if you have very limited time, like many contractors provide admission letter even after the closing of the admissions. How they provide? They provide fake admission letters. Like how real admission letters look like. So here you can see real and original admission letter. It was applied on the basis of Aadhaar card, but see the date. This is your 12th of July 2024. Like student has 15 days for getting passport, and she's Nisha, and she submit her passport before the end of July. Here are the like signs of the rector. Okay, so there are so many things you can recognize between a fake letter and a original letter. Okay, and one more thing what the contractor do, they simply just edit in like they hide your names, they hide your Aadhaar number, uh, like I have shown, and after that they write Aadhaar number, new name. So they type it like this. So please be aware about all these things. Only those students will be able to take an entrance exam who has applied for Orel State Medical University and on the basis of passport. And if you applied on the basis of Aadhaar card, then if you submit your passport till the end of admission, invitation letter is going to be your final step of your admission. If you got invitation letter, it means finally you got your admission. Here are some invitations of students of MS Education. You got 25 days to enter within the Russian Federation. On the basis of it, you will get the visa in India from Russian embassy. पढ़ाई करने वाला बच्चा पैसों की वजह से किसी से पीछे नहीं रहेगा, क्योंकि अब हर बच्चा अपने सपने पूरे कर पाएगा। MS एजुकेशन है तो मुमकिन है। After entering within the Russian Federation, you have to again apply for visa within the passport office and you will get your Russian visa. और वीजा एक्सटेंड कराने के लिए आपको क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स की जरूरत है? दिस इज योर दगावर एंड चेक इट शुड बी फॉर योर लचैबनिक देला। लचैबनिक देला का जो दगावर है उसकी फोटोकॉपी चाहिए आपको। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू पे योर फी। तो फी पेमेंट करने के बाद आपको स्लिप्स मिलेंगी, आपकी रजिस्ट्रेशन की फ़ोटोकॉपी एंड वीज़ा की फ़ोटोकॉपी जो आपका इंडिया से लग के आया है, पासपोर्ट्स के जो मेन पेजेस हैं वो, एंड आपकी इमिग्रेशन, 2 फोटोज़ होने चाहिए। जब आपको वीज़ा एक्सटेंड कराना होता है तो रशिया में जो आपका वीज़ा वो कितने का एक्सटेंड होता है? 1920। और इसकी जो स्लिप है वो हमें सिवर बैंक से बनवानी पड़ती है, और ये फिर स्लिप जो होगी आपकी ये वीज़ा के टाइम पे यूज़ होगी। सो इन सब डॉक्यूमेंट्स की आपको ज़रूरत पड़ने वाली है वीज़ा के लिए। एक बार सबको दिखा दीजिए, अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स को ऊपर उठा के दिखाओ। Fifth is your at the very first step at the time of immigration. So many students are get deported to India due to some mistakes. So now what you have to carry if you are going to at airport?
Kavarpreet Singh, Jasprit,
यहाँ पे इमिग्रेशन में डिपार्टमेंट में यहाँ पे, या फिर मॉस्को जाने के बाद वहाँ पे अगर तुमसे कोई भी क्वेश्चनिंग की जाती है यूनिवर्सिटी से रिलेटेड, तो कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में जा रहे हो? ओरियल स्टेट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी। और उसकी लोकेशन क्या है? कोमसोमोल्स्काया। क्या लोकेशन है? कोमसोमोल्स्काया। क्या करने के लिए जा रहे हो? MBBS के अलावा भी कुछ करने जा रहे हो? देख लो, कोई और पढ़ाई करने जा रहे हो? आर यू गोइंग फॉर स्टडी ओनली? हाँ, बिल्कुल भी घबराना नहीं है, ठीक है। चलो आप बताओ कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में जा रहे हो? ठीक है, क्या करने जा रहे हो? कुछ और क्लियर बताओ। नहीं बता दो नहीं। आप केवल स्टडी करने के लिए आ रहे हो, ओरल स्टेट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी में आ रहे हो, और इसकी लोकेशन क्या है? कोमसोमोल्स्काया। जो वाइस रेक्टर कौन है? पैत्सर मैम है। पैत्सर मैम का सबके पास कॉन्टैक्ट है, ठीक है। इसकी थिंग इज यू हैव टू कैरी your admission letter. The second thing you have to carry your invitation letter. Third thing you have to carry your passport with a visa of 25 days. Admission letter आप लोगों को सबको दे रखा है, दिखाओ डॉक्यूमेंट्स आगे करके दिखाओ। इस तरीके से सबको दे रखा है मैंने, ठीक है। Okay, the sixth step is going to be your fees. That is really very important, and what you have to carry regarding your fees. The fees 3,15,000, then at least half of the amount, 1,57,000, half of amount you have to carry in dollars or in INR, or if you are not carrying these, then you have to carry your fee receipt. Okay,
Invite customers seated in Zone C to board at gate B.
bank account, because only with the basis of these two things you will be able to communicate with the other people or your parents, or you will be able to buy anything. Medical insurance. Fourth thing that's going to be really very important is your green card. Now, what's the green card is? Green card is just like Aadhaar card in Russia, and it shows like you are a healthy student and you can live within the Russian territory. To do so many tests like TB, tuberculosis, HIV, and in the ending you will get a last certificate. So, तो डरमा हॉस्पिटल से आपको जो मिली थी प्रीवियस ईयर की ब्लू स्लिप्स, इस ईयर की न्यू स्लिप्स, और पासपोर्ट की ट्रांसलेशन, पासपोर्ट, इमिग्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट और आपका ग्रीन कार्ड। तो इन सब चीज़ों की आपको ज़रूरत पड़ने वाली है। इसके अलावा आपकी रजिस्ट्रेशन भी यहाँ पे लगती है। If you are sitting in front of your contractor, you should know about the real documentation. Like for example, your medical insurance is going to be for 5,000. So you also should know about the real charges of these documents. Maybe your contractor can tell you like we will provide you medical insurance in 10,000 in Orel State Medical University. So I have make another video about the real charges, so you can see that video also. If accommodation is going to be very important step if we are talking about Orel State, because in Orel State it's really very hard to get government hostel in the initial days. Okay, so it takes some time to get government hostel in Orel State, but after getting government hostel it really become very easy for you, because the government hostel charge you only 12,000 per year, means like 1,000 per month. Registration is going to be very important. If you are coming to Russia without registration, police can catch you anytime and they will fine you, and they will charge you a big fine to you if you don't have your registration. Now, what's the registration is? If you are living on flat, then please choose such a flat where you can get registration. So, okay, these are your important documentation that you have to do in Russia. And if you are coming to Russia, especially in Orel State Medical University, and not Orel State Medical University, but in any university, if you want to come to Russia, then you can message us. You can ask us on WhatsApp, like which university will be better, which will be not. We will help you in every step and every procedure. Thank you for watching our video, and if you are facing any problem related to admission in Orel State Medical University, then you can directly message us.
ट्रस्टवर्दी काम था, बहुत सपोर्टिव थे, एकदम से काम हुआ है, ऐसे कुछ बीच में कुछ लैग नहीं आया किसी
ये स्टडी करने के लिए तीनों के साथ संपर्क करो।
और जो भी वादे किए थे भैया ने सभी कुछ सब पूरे हुए हैं।
तीनों मतलब हर काम को अपना समझ के करता है और हर एक काम उसने टाइमली कंप्लीट किया है।
सजेस्ट करूंगी कि आप भी एमएस एजुकेशन के थ्रू ही आएँ। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि बिकॉज मेरा काम बहुत अच्छा हुआ है, फील भी कर रही है, और मैं आगे भी सजेस्ट करूंगी कि और भी बच्चों को आना चाहिए। और यूनिवर्सिटी भी बहुत अच्छी है, टीचर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं।
थैंक यू एमएस एजुकेशन हमारा इतने अच्छे से काम कराने के लिए।
बहुत सही से आपने सारी चीज़ें हैंडल करी है, हमारी बीच में कोई लैग नहीं आया।
एमएस एजुकेशन है तो मुमकिन है।
एमएस एजुकेशन है तो मुमकिन है।